Many people love the idea of growing their own fruit trees. Fresh lemons from the garden, sweet figs in summer, or a small apple tree producing fruit every year. But for a lot of people, there's one major obstacle: space. Not everyone has a large backyard or a traditional garden where fruit trees can grow freely. Many people live in apartments, small houses, or urban environments where the only available growing space might be a balcony, a patio, or a small terrace. Because of this, many assume that fruit trees are simply not an option. They imagine large orchards with tall trees that need a lot of land and years of care before producing fruit. But the reality is quite different. Many fruit trees can actually grow extremely well in containers. With the right varieties and a few simple techniques, it is possible to grow productive fruit plants in pots, even in very small spaces. In fact, a small patio or balcony can sometimes produce a surprising amount of fruit when the right plants are chosen. In this video, we'll explore 10 of the best fruit trees and fruit plants that can thrive in pots and small spaces. These are varieties that stay relatively compact, adapt well to container growing, and can reward you with fresh harvests even without a traditional garden. Growing fruit trees in containers may seem unusual at first, but it has several advantages that many gardeners discover only after trying it. When a tree grows in a large open garden, its roots naturally expand in every direction. Over time, the tree becomes larger, the root system spreads widely, and managing its size can become more difficult. In a container, the situation is very different. The pot naturally limits how far the roots can grow, which helps keep the tree smaller and more compact. This makes container fruit trees much easier to control and maintain. With proper care, pruning, and the right container size, many fruit trees can remain healthy and productive while staying small enough to fit on a balcony or patio. Another advantage of container gardening is mobility. Because the trees are planted in pots, they can be moved when necessary. In colder climates, some fruit trees can be moved to protected areas during harsh weather, while in warmer seasons, they can be placed in locations where they receive the best sunlight. This flexibility often makes container-grown trees easier to manage than trees planted permanently in the ground. Of course, choosing the right varieties is essential. Some fruit trees naturally grow very large and are not well suited for containers. But many modern dwarf or naturally compact varieties are perfectly adapted to this type of growing. And the first two fruit trees on our list are among the most popular and successful options for container gardens. The first two fruit trees on the list are lemon and lime trees. Citrus trees are among the most popular fruit trees for container gardening, and for good reason. Many citrus varieties naturally stay relatively compact and adapt very well to growing in pots. Lemon trees in particular are known for their ability to produce fruit even when grown in containers. With enough sunlight and proper watering, a potted lemon tree can produce fragrant blossoms, followed by fresh lemons throughout the year in suitable climates. Another advantage of lemon trees is their versatility. They can grow on patios, balconies, or small garden spaces, as long as they receive plenty of sunlight. In cooler climates, many gardeners keep their lemon trees outdoors during the warm months and move them indoors or to protected areas during winter. Lime trees share many of the same advantages. Like lemons, they thrive in sunny conditions and adapt well to container growing. Dwarf varieties are especially popular because they remain manageable in size while still producing generous harvests. Both lemon and lime trees also bring an extra benefit to small spaces: their fragrant flowers. When they bloom, citrus trees fill the surrounding area with a sweet, fresh scent that many gardeners find just as rewarding as the fruit itself. For gardeners looking to grow fruit in pots, citrus trees are often one of the easiest and most satisfying choices. But they are only the beginning. because several traditional orchard trees can also adapt surprisingly well to container growing. The next two fruit trees on the list might surprise many gardeners: apple trees and pear trees. Most people imagine these trees as large orchard plants that require a lot of space to grow properly. And while traditional varieties can indeed become quite large, modern dwarf and semi-dwarf varieties have changed what is possible in small gardens. These compact varieties are specifically bred to stay much smaller while still producing full-sized fruit. Because their growth is more controlled, they can adapt surprisingly well to container growing when provided with the right conditions. A potted apple tree, for example, can thrive in a large container placed in a sunny location such as a patio or terrace. With proper pruning and regular care, the tree can remain compact while still producing apples each year. Dwarf apple trees are particularly popular because they often begin producing fruit relatively quickly compared to larger standard trees. Pear trees can also perform very well in containers, especially when dwarf rootstocks are used. Like apples, pears benefit from good sunlight exposure and careful pruning to maintain a balanced structure. Another advantage of growing apple and pear trees in pots is that their size can be managed more easily. Pruning becomes simpler, harvesting is often more convenient, and the overall tree remains accessible without ladders or large garden spaces. However, it is important to choose containers that are large enough to support the root system and provide stable growth. With the right container size, fertile soil, and consistent watering, these classic orchard trees can become productive additions to even the smallest home gardens. And while apples and pears are excellent options, some fruit trees are naturally even better suited to container life. The next two fruit trees on the list are fig trees and pomegranate trees. Both of these plants are naturally well suited to container growing, which makes them excellent choices for patios, terraces, and small garden spaces. Fig trees have been grown in containers for centuries. In fact, in many traditional Mediterranean gardens, figs were often planted in confined spaces specifically to control the growth of their roots. Limiting the roots can actually encourage fig trees to focus more energy on producing fruit rather than expanding excessively. Because of this, fig trees often adapt very well to pots. They produce large leaves, attractive branches, and sweet fruits that ripen during the warmer months. With enough sunlight and a well-drained container soil, a potted fig tree can become both productive and ornamental. Another advantage of figs is their resilience. Once established, they tend to tolerate heat and short dry periods better than many other fruit trees, making them relatively forgiving plants for beginner gardeners. Pomegranate trees share many of these characteristics. They are naturally compact compared to larger orchard trees and can be easily maintained as small trees or shrubs. Their bright orange-red flowers appear during the growing season and later develop into distinctive fruits that are valued in many cuisines around the world. Because pomegranates grow well in warm, sunny conditions and tolerate container life very well, they are often recommended for gardeners with limited space. Together, figs and pomegranates show how some fruit trees are naturally adapted to smaller environments. But several other popular fruit trees can also thrive in containers when the right varieties are chosen. The next two fruit trees on the list are peach trees and nectarine trees. These trees are often associated with warm climates and large orchards, but many modern varieties are actually well suited for container growing. Dwarf peach and nectarine trees have been specifically developed to remain compact while still producing full-sized fruit. This makes them excellent candidates for patios, balconies, and other small garden spaces where traditional fruit trees would be too large. One of the most rewarding aspects of growing peaches or nectarines in containers is how quickly they can begin producing fruit. In favorable conditions, many dwarf varieties start producing harvests within just a few seasons after planting. During spring, These trees also produce beautiful blossoms that can turn a small patio or balcony into a very attractive growing space. Later in the season, those blossoms develop into sweet fruit that can be harvested directly from the tree. Like most fruit trees grown in containers, peaches and nectarines require plenty of sunlight. They also benefit from regular pruning, which helps maintain a manageable size and encourages healthy fruit production. Because container-grown trees are easier to access than large orchard trees, pruning and harvesting often become much simpler tasks. With proper care, these compact trees can produce surprisingly generous harvests even in very limited spaces. And the final two plants on this list are some of the most productive fruiting plants you can grow in containers. The final two fruiting plants on this list are blueberries and strawberries. While they are not traditional fruit trees, they are among the most productive fruit plants that can easily thrive in containers and small spaces. Blueberries are especially popular for container gardening because many varieties naturally grow as compact shrubs. When planted in pots with acidic soil, blueberry plants can produce reliable harvests year after year. Their small white or pink flowers appear in spring, followed by clusters of berries that ripen during the summer months. In addition to their fruit, blueberry plants also provide ornamental value. Their foliage often turns beautiful shades of red and orange in autumn, making them attractive plants throughout the year. Strawberries are another excellent choice for small spaces. Unlike many fruit plants that require significant room to grow, strawberries can thrive in small containers, hanging baskets, or vertical garden systems. Once established, strawberry plants produce runners that form new plants, allowing the garden to gradually expand over time. During the growing season, they provide repeated harvests of fresh fruit, often producing several waves of berries throughout the warmer months. Because of their compact size and high productivity, strawberries are one of the easiest fruit crops for beginners who want to start growing food in small spaces. Together, blueberries and strawberries demonstrate that even the smallest garden areas can produce a steady supply of fresh fruit. And when these plants are combined with container fruit trees, it becomes possible to create a surprisingly productive fruit garden even in very limited spaces. When you combine several of these plants together, something interesting begins to happen. A balcony, patio, or small terrace can slowly transform into a compact fruit garden that produces harvests across much of the year. Instead of relying on a single large fruit tree, container gardens work best when they include a variety of plants that produce at different times of the season. Citrus trees, such as lemons and limes, can provide fruit during warmer months. Apple and pear trees can bring classic orchard harvests even in small spaces. Figs and pomegranates offer resilient plants that tolerate container life very well. Peach and nectarine trees provide seasonal blossoms and sweet summer fruit. And smaller plants like blueberries and strawberries can fill the remaining spaces with continuous harvests. Another advantage of container fruit gardening is control. Because each plant grows in its own container, gardeners can adjust soil conditions, watering, and sunlight exposure more easily than in traditional gardens. Trees can be moved if necessary, pruned to maintain manageable sizes, and replaced or rearranged as the garden evolves. Over time, even a small space can begin producing a surprising amount of fruit. A well-planned container garden might not replace a full orchard, but it can provide fresh harvests that are both rewarding and practical for urban gardeners. And perhaps most importantly, it shows that growing fruit is not limited to large gardens or rural spaces. With the right plants and a little planning, even the smallest growing area can become a productive fruit garden.